Today's video, I want to show you how to connect or pair your Sony Bluetooth wireless headphones to a iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, or the 11 Pro Max. So to get started, if you have a Bluetooth headphones that's similar to this, you want to first find the power button. So go ahead and turn it off if your Sony Bluetooth headphones is currently on. Go ahead and turn it off. And then next up, using that same power button, you are going to long press it and don't let go until you see a blue-red alternating blinking light. Okay, and you're going to pay attention to the light indicator if your headphones has one. Okay, so mine is located right next to the power button here. So I'm going to go ahead and hold down the power button. And again, don't let it go. Even though you see the first blue light or a red light, don't let go until you see a blue-red alternating light, like this one right here. And once you get it to do that, basically it means your Sony Bluetooth headphones is now in a pairing mode state. And next up, going on your iPhone 11, you are going to go into the main settings, that gear icon settings. So just go ahead and find it on your phone, go into it. And once you're into that section, you'll find where it says Bluetooth. You'll tap on that one time. And from there, go ahead and turn on your Bluetooth settings. And as you do that, like every other iPhone, it will start searching for nearby devices. And just wait for the Sony Bluetooth headphones name to show up under your search. And as you can see, mine showed up, and yours should show up for as long as your Sony headphones are in pairing mode. So just tap on it once you see it. It's going to run the connection process for you. Then it'll tell you it's connected. And once it's fully connected, you'll notice the blue-red blinking lights are no longer there and your headphones are fully connected. So like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching.